The D16 error code on Maytag commercial dryers indicates a door switch or lock failure. This means the dryer isn't detecting that the door is properly closed, preventing the cycle from starting or completing as a safety measure. This is common in high-capacity, coin-operated, or industrial-grade dryers. Knowing this is the first step to fixing the issue. Several factors can trigger the D16 error in Maytag commercial dryers. The most common cause is a faulty door switch or latch assembly, where the switch fails to properly signal door closure. Another major cause is a malfunctioning control board, often damaged by moisture exposure in humid laundry environments. Wiring issues between the door switch and the control panel can also cause the error, especially in high-vibration commercial settings. Sensor calibration errors may trigger false door faults, leading to the D16 code. Finally, power surges or frequent resets can corrupt the board's memory and cause the error. Identifying the correct cause is crucial for an effective fix and to avoid unnecessary downtime. Start with a simple reset. Unplug the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches without needing further repairs. Next, inspect the door latch for any obstructions or debris. These simple steps can sometimes resolve the error without further intervention. For more advanced troubleshooting, enter the dryer's diagnostic mode. The method varies by model. For MLG models, hold more time and less time simultaneously for 3 seconds. Once in diagnostic mode, check the error logs for the D16 code to confirm the diagnosis. To check the door switch with a multimeter, first set the device to continuity mode. Then connect the probes to the door switch terminals. The door switch is typically a normally open 0 to 1 ohms that closes when the door is shut, good continuity, completing the circuit. If you get high resistance or no continuity, the switch is faulty and needs replacement. First, ensure safety by unplugging the dryer from the electrical outlet or turning off the circuit breaker to prevent any risk of electric shock. Next, access the door switch. It's typically located behind the front panel of the dryer. Carefully remove the panel to expose the internal components. Now, locate the wiring harness connected to the door switch. Carefully unplug or unscrew the connectors to disconnect the wires from the switch. Remove the faulty door switch. Use a screwdriver to remove any screws or release clips that secure the switch to the dryer frame. Install the new door switch assembly. The commonly used part number is WPW0208373. Secure it in place with the mounting hardware. Reconnect the wiring to the new switch. Make sure all connectors are securely plugged in and any screws are tightened to prevent loose connections. Finally, reassemble the dryer by replacing the front panel. Restore power and run a test cycle to ensure the door switch functions correctly and the D16 error is resolved. If the door switch isn't the problem, the control board might be faulty. This is a more complex issue that can stem from corrosion, moisture exposure, or power surges in humid laundry environments. It often requires professional repair or replacement of the control board, as these components are critical for dryer operation. For newer models, check for firmware updates via Whirlpool's portal or a service technician, as recent updates can resolve control board-related errors and improve sensor calibration. Prevent future D16 errors by regularly cleaning door seals and lint traps. Avoid overloading the dryer to reduce strain on the door mechanism. For commercial settings, consider annual calibrations and electrical inspections to maintain optimal performance and prevent cascading failures. Also, voltage stabilizers can help mitigate errors in older models.